Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome back to MOOCs with me, Ms. Eko Purwanti. In this occasion, we are going to talk about types of teacher professional learning. And after this meeting, you are expected to be able to understand various types of teacher professional learning. Second, understand activities of the type of teacher professional learning. Alright everyone, let's start our meeting with the first discussion. Dear students, as we discussed before, the quality of national education must be improved so that Indonesian people are able to cope with rapid changes of global technology and the development of knowledge. In addition, high quality of national education can also secure Indonesian people to face massive and free competition in the global job market. In order to maintain professionalism, all teachers in higher education have to conduct professional learning. Teachers can choose from a broad range of professional learning opportunities, and the university leaders have to give opportunities for the teachers to take a variety of learning activities. Dear students, there are several formats of professional learning and several activities that can be taken by the teacher. Now, let's discuss about these one by one. Well, dear students, these are the types of teacher professional learning that can be taken by all lecturers. The first one is face-to-face professional learning, and the second is pursuing study. The third is doing research, and the fourth is doing online learning. The fifth is conducting community of practice. Yeah, so those are all examples of types of teacher professional learning. Now, let's talk about them in detail. So now we are going to talk about detailed activities of these 5 types of professional learning. The first one, face-to-face. In this type of professional learning, teachers can have several activities. For example, conferences, workshop, guest speaker at a staff meeting, school or site professional development, training courses, and attending a lecture or seminar. So this is the example provided by the teacher. For example, the teacher can attend SPADA Professional Learning Conference or probably math workshop. Okay, next, what about the types of professional learning in terms of study format? So in this type of teacher professional learning, the teachers can do several activities as well. For example, pursuing postgraduate study, for example, toward a qualification, university degrees, TAFE certificate, or diploma courses. So one of the examples that can be done by the teacher is, for example, taking master degree in education, or taking certificate 4 in training and assessment, or maybe working on a Ph.D. degree. What about the others? The other format of types of teacher professional learning is research. In this case, teachers can also do some activities. For example, doing professional reading, including books, articles, academic journal, peer-reviewed literature, and so forth. In addition, teachers can also do self-conducted research, including internet searches for information and formal research projects. And one example that can be done by the teacher is, for example, reading managing classroom behavior, or search for information about differentiation, or probably conduct individual research. Next, online learning. Online learning is also regarded as one type of professional learning that can be done by a teacher. What are the examples of online learning? These are the examples of this activity: e-learning modules on online courses, or participating in a webinar or online conference, or doing the grants and asking for the grant from the university or from the higher degree. So online learning is not just passive viewing of material, but actively completing modules online. And now, since the cause of the COVID-19, there are so many webinars that can be attended by the lecturers in order to conduct the online learning. And finally, the type of the professional learning that can be done by the teacher is doing the community of practice. So the examples of the community of practice is the teacher can be the part of professional learning team or community. So in this case, usually teachers in a school partnership who teach the same subject and want to share strategies, resources, ideas, and etc. And also the teacher can also participate in a group project. So this is the example that can be done by the teacher doing the professional association meeting with a guest speaker and focus areas for discussion. Well, dear students, those are my explanation about the types of teacher professional learning. I hope you can have ideas about what professional learning activities you can do to maintain your professionalism when you become a lecturer in the future. Also, I also hope that you are now familiar with various types of teacher professional learning and also activities of the type of teacher professional learning. Thank you for your attention, and I'll see you again in the next meeting with different topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.